in this video, we're going to calculate the calories burned based on two things. One, how many kilometers the person has run, and two, their gender. Now, we have two different values for calories burned per kilometer based on gender. For male, it's 105 calories, and for female, it's 93. I've done it for this one and not the other tabs, just to show you how to use an if statement to calculate this. It's actually going to retrieve a value from this cell in the personal details and summary tab. Obviously, M's for male. So we go back to our running tab here, and let's go ahead and put in our if statement. So equals if, open bracket. Now, so we are retrieving a value from a different tab. So we click on the tab, and we click on the cell containing the value. So what this does, it puts in the name of the tab, so it links to this tab. So personal details and summary, and an exclamation mark B5. So it's just saying it's going to retrieve the value from that. So if the value in B5 is equal to M, okay, and then just click back in the running tab. So if that is equal to M, then we're going to multiply the distance by the value in M3, which is the 105. Okay. Click in the cell. So if it is equal to M, it'll multiply the distance by the amount of calories. And if not, so if it's F basically, then we multiply B3, but this time by the value in M4, the total calories burned per kilometer for female. After you've got those two values, you can close your bracket and then test it. Now, 3 times 105 is 315. Go back here to see if it's M. It is. If I delete that, that should change this to 279, which is 3 times 93. Also, we can just put an F in there just to double check that works. Yeah, it does. Change it back to M again. It's another test. And you can see that it does work. Now, the next step for you here is to use this across all of these cells and indeed across the different tables. Before you do that, you need to use the absolute cell referencing that we used in the previous activity. So put your $sign on the cells you want to lock, which is the M3 and M4. Then you can just replicate that across. Now it's going to come 0 because they haven't run any, but you can do a quick test, see if it's working like so. So just to recap, you need to use an if statement which links to personal details and summary, cell B5, and then you need to multiply that based on if it's M or not by the value either stored in M3, or if it's not M, it will multiply it by 93. It'll also multiply by 93 even if the value is blank, but just to be aware of that. Thanks for watching.